Hey up, people of the interwebs. It's Sunday, which means we're off to Newark. Still don't know whether I'm going to go in Civic or in MG. Taking cameras, so I'll film part of it and make a video about it, just so anybody that's not ever been to an autojumble or Newark can have a look and see what it's like. I probably won't record anything on the way there. I'll just record while we're there and maybe a bit on the way back or something. Yeah, because I don't know how long I'm going to be sat in traffic with the potential of people to walk along and take the cameras off the car if they so wish, which is horrible. But yeah, we'll see what it's like on there. Hopefully I'll get some bits and pieces, some, I don't know, whatever. There's always some interest in there, and there's always like a fudge stall as well, so maybe we'll get fudge. Maybe it'll be a fudge day. At Newark, you can see there's some stuff around in the shoulder of someone. It's a bit bigger than I remember it being. There's quite a few things here, and then there's some bits that they had loads in before that they've not got as much in. But we've seen quite a lot of random stuff, haven't we? Like loads of them replica old signs and stuff, and then it seems to be a good mix of car and bike stuff. There's like bits of car, bits of bike, pretty much everything that you need from there. We'll carry on looking